All right. So, fans, here I am. So, today is my therapy day. It's Tuesday. And I thought, hey, after work, I want to go to Central Market. I want to buy some crab. I want to buy some shrimp. And I also found some vegetables. And it's my cooking therapy day. So, this is what it looks like. I have my cabbage. I steamed the crab. This one looks mad at me. He's mad at me that I steamed him and killed him. And I also bought some shrimp, cleaned them, deveined them, and that's right, some snow peas. So we're going to have some snow peas with some cabbage, onions, garlic, and it's cooking therapy day. So every once in a while, you just need one of those days where you do something you like. So what do you like to do? What makes you the human being that you are?